morning, Mum. I've been asked to give you a singing lesson. Here is the ballad sent by Prince Pavel to be sung before the wedding celebration tomorrow.
There's no use giving me this. I don't read a note of music.
To be a good musician, you do not need to be able to read music. What you need to do first is show the Prince the beauty of your voice.
No one has yet spoken of that beauty.
Shall we warm up with a few exercises? Let us begin. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now you try.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
We certainly have our work. We seem to have our work cut out. Let us try it once more. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Please sing once more, Mum.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
Do, 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 do.
Do, 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 do.
Do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do.
Do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do.
How much was the singing lesson?
I must say, sir, I've never heard a voice like hers before.
Do you think she will be able to sing the ballad the princess sent?
Quite frankly, no, sir.
Why was that?
Your Majesty, let us just say, your daughter has qualities in her voice that are beyond training.
I'm sure it cannot be that bad. Now, my dear, let me hear the song about the little bird. I hear your sister sing so often, but you always seem too shy to sing.
Do I have to, Father?
I'm sure it's just a question of confidence.
If your Majesty permits, I will begin the song, and the princess will join in on the choruses.
Unless you grant.
There once was a little bird who lived in a little tree, and in that tree he sang each day so happily. There once was a little bird, the sweetest to be found, who sat upon a branch and made a lovely sound. For such a little bird, its voice it was so strong, and every day it sang its pretty little song. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'd like to be that bird and fly high in the air, to sing to one and all without a single care. But I am not a bird, and I do not have wings, or such a voice as his, that so much pleasure brings. And so I stand beneath the branches of the tree, to wonder at the song he makes so joyfully. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.